On today's body cam, we're checking out sovereign citizen challenges the wrong officer.
Hey, I'm Officer Massey. I'm stopping the vehicle for two different reasons. First reason is your license is suspended, and secondly, your headlights are not on, and it's raining outside.
Could you call a sergeant?
No, I cannot. You're more than welcome to call 435-1845 and request one, but he's not going to come out just for you requesting to talk to him.
Because you are not special.
I'm perfectly capable of doing my job. So I'll need three things from you: your license, your registration on the vehicle, and your insurance.
Business.
Say again?
I don't conspire in business.
I don't know what that means, ma'am.
I don't conspire in your business. I do not understand. I don't answer for.
Okay. So, man, this is going to go...
State, national, I don't care.
Okay. So, listen, this is going to go one way and one way only. Okay? You are going to identify yourself, and if you refuse to, I'm going to remove you from the vehicle, and I'm going to place you under arrest.
I'm not refusing.
You are. You're in violation of 2 Florida state statutes, and you have to provide your license, or you have to identify yourself. You have not done either of those.
Identify myself as a state national.
Sure. Okay.
I do not contract and I do not answer.
Okay. And if you don't, you're going to jail.
No.
Because I'm super nice, right? If you just provide your ID, you might just get a warning, you know. But when behavior like this continues,
I have not.
I'm more likely to write citation. Okay, so you have to identify yourself.
Hands are in my lap.
Sure.
And I've identified myself as a state national.
Okay.
I do not do.
You're on the roadway in the state of Florida,
Correct.
and you're in violation of 2 state statutes, and you have still not identified yourself after I've asked several times. Okay, so get out of the vehicle. Come on, get out of the vehicle. Turn away from me. Turn away from me. Turn around. Hands behind your back. Interlock your hands like you're praying. Hey, Officer Thompson, swap with me, please. And if you'll search her, they're okay. I'm not worried about them. They've been chill the whole time.
I like for you to take notice that I've
Okay.
No.
Alrighty.
Right.
What's your relation to her? Just a friend or?
Yeah.
Okay. Is the child with you, or is the child with her? Okay. Does that Lilo and Stitch bag belong to her or you? Huh? Is that your mom that was driving? Yeah? That's your mommy? Is that her backpack? It's y'all's together? Okay. There's a kid in the back seat too. Her child. I ran the plate. It comes back to a female who kind of looks like her. I'm unable to. I haven't looked at that yet. Okay. A license also is not valid.
These sovereign citizens are a complete joke, man. Complete joke. Stay off TikTok, man. I don't know where these people learn this stuff from. And I wonder, I always sit here and I think, I gotta hit one of my friends up, man. Because I wonder how often do they really get these things. Yeah, I got a friend who was I got a couple cop friends, but yeah, I gotta ask. A friend who's a state trooper and then NYPD and stuff. But yeah, I gotta ask because I'm so curious. I gotta write this down. I'm gonna continue to play, but I gotta write this down to remind me, man. How often do they get these sovereign citizen BS? You know, it's just a complete joke. She's like, I'm not under contract and yada yada. Like, what? And then you got a child in the back. So, and you know, as a child, you know, you look up to your parents as like superheroes, you know, and they could do no wrong, right? And so hopefully the child, you know, can understand that this is not right. Okay, your mom needs the proper documentation, you know, and then the friend too. Like, what the hell? You know, I mean, I guess we're gonna leave her out of it because she don't know, you know. They probably just picked each other, you know, just picked up her home girl and whatever. She don't know that she's doing this sovereign citizen BS.
For whoever that is, whoever the vehicle belongs to. Hey, is this mommy's car? She got it from her dad. Okay. Hey, if y'all just want to hop out to those officers over there for me, please. Do you have coats in the car that you're not going to get wet? You're okay. Okay, y'all just hop out. The daughter says that Lilo and Stitch backpack is both of theirs, so there's probably identification stuff inside of that bag. I gave her a few minutes. If not, we'll have to contact DCF to see if they can take custody of the kid in the meantime.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
She's just got a few minutes to think about it before we decide.
I ask that you identify me correctly. This is kidnapping and it's coercion to threaten me behind this well-being of my daughter. I would like to speak with the people that I'm with. That has to do with my well-being. I'm entitled to that.
You're entitled to nothing.
Excuse me? You're saying I don't have rights?
You do.
Okay.
But I don't. If I don't want to let you speak to them, I'm not going to.
They said the tag comes back to a Honda.
We're arranging something and we're agreeing to something. That's business.
Oh yeah, I think so. Actually, I did see that. Oh, she's habitual too.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, you're a habitual traffic offender, so you're gonna get a felony for that too.
You know, you're a very nasty young man.
I disagree, but hey, everyone's able to have their own opinion.
What though?
What?
You came over, and because you know what you do is a form of business, you mistaken me for a regular, Joe. And the idea is you did not provide me the common courtesy or answer your questions like they should be answered.
Because of your behavior and how you're acting, you don't deserve anything right now.
Excuse me? Because of my views? Is that what you said?
I said your behavior.
What behavior? I did not yell. I did not force myself or voice on you or anyone that you were with.
This would have went much easier if you just provided your information like everyone else does from the beginning.
To provide that information is that not doing business with you. So I have to conduct business the correct way. Is that not true?
100%. I agree with you.
Okay, all right.
Which you refuse to do.
Hold on a minute. I let you know that I didn't have my proper paperwork on my vessel. And that I do have it. I asked
On my vessel. Oh my goodness, these people, man. This is crazy. Just hearing her talk, like, it's just like, do you know how to spell vessel? Like, nah, let me stop. Let me stop. But yeah, man, I just don't get it. I don't understand why people can't just pay their tickets or whatever. Like, obviously her license is messed up or whatever. Something is wrong, but this is stuff that you could get fixed or whatever, but you refuse to do that. And you just want to get ticket after ticket or, constantly get in trouble with these traffic violations, habitual. That means you keep messing up over and over and over and over again. And it's so bad that now you're habitual. So every time you get something, it's a felony.
for a sergeant.
Yep.
And a sergeant has a protocol to call as well.
Oh, really? Does he? Okay, interesting.
He has the overstanding to do business as it should be done.
Well,
I promise you, my paperwork is in the correct order, and I'm not working.
Sure. Well, it wasn't presented to me like you're statutorily required to. Let me ask you this: do you also own a white Honda? Your daughter said you did.
Shouldn't listen to children.
She said you put the license plate from that car on the one you just got stopped in. I would assume because that one's valid.
I think my solder plate is in the car because that's the one I ride with.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's another good way to go to jail.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
Kiera was arrested on charges of resisting arrest without violence and driving with a suspended or revoked license. The case was later resolved when she was found guilty of resisting arrest, while the driving with a suspended or revoked license charge was dropped by prosecutors. However, sentencing details are not confirmed in the available documents.